Guys, I am in France and we're going to an all-white glam dinner, so I need to look extra good. I have like half an hour to get ready though, so let's do this. Okay, we are all buffed in, of course. So we are using the BFF Brow Wax by The Beauty Crap because it is like Gorilla Glue for your brows. Oh, don't you just love this song? Yeah, so it's better when we're together. So I've got a few breakouts at the moment, so I'm just going to spot conceal with my Lancome concealer because it's amazeballs. Oh, and this like glowy skin in natural light is from these products. I'm just going to spot conceal anywhere I've got like discoloration or a little red pimple. So I'm just going to cream bronze. Oh my god, that's so much. It's okay, it's all blended out, but with Pink Honey bronze face frostings in cookie butter. Bronze that nose up so we look like we've been in the sun. On quick makeup days, we wear Rare Beauty blush in Happy because it is just gorgeous. I'm just gonna blend it out. It just like melts into the skin. They are stunning. Let's put a bit of concealer on to just, you know, like make ourselves look like we are wearing makeup. If your concealer creases on your under eye, just please use a powder puff. Just try it and your concealer will not crease. And then just set everywhere else with a brush just so then we avoid going cakey and looking like we've got too much product on the skin. My eyes have been so leaky on this trip, so no lashes, just mascara. I'm going to do my freckle trick. So what I do is I just take a brow pen and pop some little dots on there like that and then just like push it onto my skin. Freckles! I'm obsessed with this Scorched Helliest blush by Be Perfect. I literally bathe in it all the time. It's like the perfect pinky holiday glowy blush. Got some of the Vive Skin Dew and oh my god, I'm gonna try and like tap it into the skin. So I didn't like applying it with my fingers. I felt like it moved like a little bit of my base underneath, but with a beauty sponge, oh wow. So rather than my Glow Milk, which is like an illuminator, this is like a gloss. So oh my god, perfect for my no makeup day. Elf setting spray. Okay, let's take these curlies out. And this is the finished look. I mean, you can hardly see, but yeah.